What's up, Curlies? Welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. I'm Talise. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I am going to be unboxing my starter FABFITFUN box, which was $5 and it is supposed to be valued at over $75. So I first heard about the FABFITFUN starter box from Tam, who is a natural hair YouTuber. I will definitely link her channel down below. You guys should definitely check her out because she has some great content. And then a couple days after I watched Tam unbox her starter box, my friend Chardonnay, who was in my switching wash and go routine video, she told me that she had a FABFITFUN.
That is not correct.
She told me that she had a FABFITFUN box and she had 3 starter boxes to give away, so she gave one of them away to me. Okay, my friend Chardonnay also has a natural hair YouTube channel. You should definitely subscribe to her. It is simply Shardy, and she's going to be posting her first video very soon. So look forward to that. So I actually got this box a couple weeks ago, but when I film wash day and wash and goes and deep conditioning videos, I'm kind of tired afterwards. So I've kind of been too tired to film this. But I'm here, I'm awake, I'm alive. And I've been really wanting to know what's inside this box, so let's find out. Okay, before we get started with this video, I'd just like to say welcome back to all my subscribers. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button right below this video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. So I haven't opened this box at all. The tape is still here and it's still intact. So I'm going to open it now. So right on the inside of the box it says, okay, on the inside of the box it says, welcome to your new favorite thing. And there's a little magazine inside that says FABFITFUN on it. It says it includes how the box is curated, something about eating seasonally. They said my box is full of secrets and they're sharing them, and also 5 ways to boost your workout. So that's cool. And underneath the magazine is a note from us at FABFITFUN. We're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FABFITFUN member. Enjoy some of our top-rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing, FABFITFUN. So that's a cute note. And then on the back, it's telling me what's inside the box. So I think I'm not gonna look at that. I think I'm just gonna unbox it. So it looks like this on the inside. It's got the 3 F's, which I guess is their logo, which is really cute. Okay, this is what the box looks like on the inside. You can see a couple of the products in there. And the first thing that I see is this Summer in Rose, a place for everything. Oh, it's this really cute tray. This is something I could use for bobby pins, Invisalign bobbles, telly ties, things like that. I could put my rings here when I take them off to do my wash and go. This is gonna get a lot of use. This is really cute too. Ooh, okay, the next thing that I pulled out was this Ahava Leave On Dead Sea Mud Dermud Intensive Foot Cream, Dry and Sensitive Skin Relief. And it is 3.4 fluid ounces. I feel like my feet get pretty dry in the winter, so this is gonna be really nice to use and just not have dry, cracked feet.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
The next thing that I got is a deep sleep pillow spray. It says fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. It's a spray relaxant. It's made by This Works, and it's 2.5 fluid ounces. So on the back it says modern, fast-acting, natural way to restore normal sleep. Natural, expertly blended with essential oils of lavender, vetiver, and wild chamomile. Beauty, wake up refreshed, the best beauty secret there is. Directions, spray on your pillow or bed cover before you go to sleep. Used to promote rest and relaxation. Yeah, so this is really cool. I'll let you guys know how this works. And the last product I got was a Murad Resurgent Renewing Eye Cream. This product is 0.5 fluid ounces, and it says it is an ultra nourishing eye cream that firms, brightens, and targets signs of aging. Advanced peptides and retinol increase elasticity and visibly minimize lines and wrinkles. Eye brightening complex reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for brighter, younger looking eyes. To use, AM and PM, gently pat around the eye area. Avoid contact with eyes. And it says it was dermatologist developed. So I've actually never used an eye cream, so that'll be exciting to try. And I will let you guys know what I think of this as well. So I think I got some really nice stuff in this box. On this flyer paper thing, it says that this box's total retail value is $162. The Murad eye cream is $82. That's crazy. I will definitely let you know if I think it feels like an $82 product. I don't even know what that feels like.
Oh, hell no!
This deep pillow spray is $29. This foot cream is $29. And this Summer in Rose, they're calling it a Celine trinket dish, is $22. So my box was supposed to be valued at over $75, and it was actually $162. So that's amazing.
Oh my God! Wow!
The actual FABFITFUN box is $49.99, and I believe they ship out 4 of them per year, and that box is valued at over $200. Okay, before I close out this video, I just wanted to let you guys know what I have in my hair right now. This is actually day 7 of my new and improved Wetline Xtreme Wash and Go. I love the results. Day 7 is looking great to me. It's very defined. It definitely has some frizz, but I think it's giving me volume, and I just love it. The only problem is the first ingredient in this gel is sodium hydroxide, which is lye and is not a good ingredient for our hair. So although I love these results so much, I'm gonna have to say no to this Wetline Xtreme. I'm not gonna recommend that you guys try it. The original Wetline Xtreme, its first ingredient is water. I feel like if sodium hydroxide was lower on the list, I might be okay with it, but it's the very first ingredient. And that is just not gonna work for me. So even though I love this wash and go so much, it's never gonna happen again.
Hell no, to the no, 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 yeah, to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Listen.
And one more thing, if you guys have any Soultanicals products, Soultanicals is having an amazing promotion right now. If you do a Soultanicals review, they will send you a $150 Soultanicals gift card and a free product of your choice. You just have to put Soultanicals in the title of the video and then send the link of your video to customerservice@soultanicals.com and make the subject of your email OGS review. They're also having another promotion where if you write a review of a Soultanicals product on Sally Beauty, Target, or naturallycurly.com and you send them a screenshot of your review, they will send you a 55% off Black Friday coupon. So I think that you guys should really take advantage of these promotions because they're amazing. As you guys have seen on my channel, I'm really loving Soultanicals products, especially their Frizz Wiz Curl Defining Leave-In and their Sprung Coil Boosting Jelly. Those products are holy grails for me, and I cannot wait to try more Sultanables products. That's why I've already posted my review on YouTube, and I posted a review on sallybeauty.com. So you guys make sure you do that. I think it's just for October, so you only have a few more days. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Also, comment down below if you've ever purchased FABFITFUN, and if you have tried the starter box or anything, or any other subscription boxes you think I should try. Definitely let me know if they have starter boxes, because $5 is a great deal.
Well, really, I'm cheap as hell. And...
Okay, thank you for watching.